Hello our dear friends, let me hope you're doing well. I would like to welcome you to today's video where I'll be presenting unto you our findings from our very first sickle cell screening camp, which was held on 23rd of September 2023 at Alpha Medical Specialists in GULU City, Northern Uganda. So out of the 253 people we screened all together on that day, we found out that 63 of them were positive. The tests we're doing, the sorbite test for sickle cell, the rapid test, only tells us that this person is positive or negative for sickle cell. Then for all those who turned out to be positive, we go on to do further tests, what we call the HB electrophoresis, to confirm whether this person really has sickle cell disease or has sickle cell trait. So the samples of those 63 people were taken to CPHL, the Central Public Health Laboratory in Kampala, and the results will be back soon, and they'll be telling us whether this one is having sickle cell disease or this one is having sickle cell trait. So back to the other 63 people, out of the 253, really you will find out that this is a big number, 24.9%. That is approximately 25% of the general population is positive for sickle cell. So this means 1 out of every 4 people is having sickle cell trait. This is really a very big portion of the general population of Northern Uganda that is positive for sickle cell, and this raises a very big alarm in really what could come ahead of us if nothing is done, especially in providing free sickle cell screening services to our dear people of Northern Uganda. Out of these 253 also went on to find out that 85% of them were actually young people who came for these services, and we were happy about this because these are the people who are not yet married, and they need these services as early as possible so that when it's time to get fiancés and get into marriage to have children, they are making the best decisions in as far as sickle cell disease is concerned. They get to know the genotype of their fiancés so that they do not have children with sickle cell disease in their generations, and thus we achieve a sickle cell free generation, as our jargon says. So we also went on to find out how many couples came for these services, and we found out that only 5 couples came in. So really this is a smaller number of the couples coming together for sickle cell screening services, because sickle cell disease comes about only and only if 2 parents or a couple that is maybe all of them having the sickle cell trait, or maybe one of them has sickle cell disease and the other one has sickle cell trait, or maybe all of them have sickle cell disease. So you find that in all situations all the people must participate. So when they come together for these services, we are happy that even when we give them counseling, they are together and they know what to do. So those are the findings that we found from this camp, and we hope that we can come together and collect resources and be able to provide more services to more people so that we eradicate sickle cell disease from Northern Uganda. I thank you so much for the support and also for supporting Tackle Sickle Cell Africa. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.